You've probably seen the ads, right? The promise that you can use some high-tech AI trading bot to make money, even while you're sleeping. But is this for real? Is it the key to automated wealth? Or is it just a super slick way to lose all your money? Let's get into it. And really, this is the question, isn't it? Are these bots a legit way to play the markets, or are you basically just handing over the keys to your financial kingdom to a complete stranger? That's what we're gonna figure out. Okay, let's just get this out of the way right up front. I'm gonna burst the bubble immediately. In this crypto Wild West we're living in, there's no such thing as a magic algorithm that just prints money with zero risk. It simply does not exist. And we're about to break down exactly why. So this brings us to our first big idea, what I like to call the automated money myth. This is the core fantasy that gets so many people hooked in the first place. I mean, the appeal is pretty obvious. The crypto market is this absolute beast that runs 24/7. It never stops. It moves way too fast for any normal person to keep up with. And that's the fundamental problem these bots are promising to solve for you. So to really get a handle on how these bots are supposed to work, there's a perfect analogy that cuts right through all the technical jargon. So let's dive into that, the Autopilot Analogy. So what even is an AI trading bot? Honestly, the easiest way to picture it is like the autopilot in a really fancy car. It can follow the instructions you give it, stay between the lines perfectly. It never gets tired, it doesn't need to pull over for a coffee break, and this is the important part, it runs on pure, cold logic. And when you put a human trader side by side with a bot, the differences are, well, they're stark. Humans are driven by emotion, fear, greed, all that stuff. We have to sleep, we're slow. A bot, on the other hand, in theory, it's the exact opposite. All logic, 24/7 operation, and its reactions are instantaneous. That's the dream they're selling you. But, as you can probably guess, that dream can turn into a total nightmare, really, really fast. So let's talk about what happens when the bot crashes. You see, the whole autopilot thing works great when you're on a perfectly mapped, straight highway on a sunny day. But what happens when the road suddenly disappears? What happens when you hit a situation that just isn't on the map? Well, here's exactly how that autopilot can drive you right off a cliff. First, you've got what they call black swan events, these sudden, insane market crashes that nobody saw coming and the bot was definitely not programmed for. Then the bot can literally run out of gas. It can burn through all the crypto it needs to pay for transaction fees and just stall out right in the middle of a trade. And finally, it hits one of those unmapped roads, a totally bizarre market condition. And since it has no idea what to do, it just keeps striding forward. But you know what? All of those are just technical risks. There's a much bigger, much scarier risk that so many people just completely ignore. And that brings us to the private key secret. So what is it? What is this dirty little secret that these bot companies don't exactly plaster on their homepage? This is it, right here. If you only remember one thing today, make it this. Whoever knows your private key has control over your coins. See, to use a lot of these services, you have to give them your private key. And that's not like giving them a key to your house. No, it's like signing over the deed to your house. They own it. And the result of that is absolute. If that company gets hacked, if the owners decide to just pack up and disappear, or if the company just goes out of business, your money is gone. Period. There's no bank to call for help, no FDIC insurance, it's just poof, gone. All right, so with all of that on the table, what's the real verdict here? It's probably best to think of these things as a very specific kind of tool, and definitely not a magic genie in a bottle. This little report card pretty much sums it all up. The effort required from you, yeah, it's low, that's the big selling point. The potential reward? Sure, it can be medium to high, but the risk? We have to rate that as extreme. And it's extreme precisely because you're often handing over the entire keys to the kingdom. So here's the bottom line. AI is an incredibly powerful tool, but it's for the disciplined trader who already understands the market. It is not a shortcut for somebody just looking for a get-rich-quick scheme. You have to understand the fundamentals of driving before you even think about engaging the autopilot. And that really leaves us with one final thought. And it's a question for you. The bot is just a tool. It's a high-performance machine with no judgment, no wisdom, and no common sense. So the real question is, are you prepared to be the driver?